Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson. Watson, say hi. Say hi. Okay, well we are here because it is Stitch Fix Day. I just got this on my porch this afternoon. It's actually a couple days early, so that's always fun. And I think I'd mentioned the last video I shot that I was doing this comparison between styling myself. As a backup here, I am a stylist at Stitch Fix, and so I always want to make sure that I say that on every video. But also, I have been doing for the last few months a comparison between me styling myself and then another stylist styling me. And so this is my last box right now of the other stylist styling me. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, Watson, Watty, can you move so we can do Stitch Fix? Can you lay down? Can you lay down? Okay, sorry about that. It's a slow process for this horse to lay down. Okay, so I am going to now open the Stitch Fix box, which was styled by someone who is not me. Okay, here we go. Also, I peeked once, but I didn't look at it again. And this is the first time I haven't seen any of this in real life. And I'm not going to read my notes yet. For those of you who are not familiar with Stitch Fix, I will include a link below that will explain everything to you. Okay, so here is the burrito. I can see some cool colors in there. There's also something else in here. Shoes. For those of you who have watched my videos before, you know I love shoes. Let's see if I like these ones. Okay. All right, let's start with the shoes. Do you think, Watsy? Should we start with the shoes? Hey. So here's a shoe. And this is not generally my style of shoe. So basically, I actually did go in and update my style profile to say no more sandals. I love wedges. Sorry for the rain sound. I love wedges. I love booties. I love sandals like flip-flops. These types of shoes make my feet look at least 3 sizes bigger than they are. I have not tried these on. I will always give them a shot. I could be totally shocked this time. So I'm going to do this, but if you recall the last time I got shoes from the same stylist, they were a little bit different. They were more of like that lace-up Egyptian style, but they were still flat. So I'm going to have to make sure I give good feedback on that. So anyway, we'll give it a shot. Totally not my style. We'll try it anyway. Next. Flossie, are you still awake? She's already getting bored. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, yes, I remember seeing these. Okay, these are light purple, straight leg, Melina straight leg pants by Lila Ryan. I don't like these. Okay, again, I will try them on. I do not wear straight leg pants. I feel like these are totally not my style. However, to be fair, I have been asking for purple cargo pants for quite some time, and maybe I didn't even specify cargo. I'm gonna have to be very specific. See, this is what this teaches me. So anyway, I'm gonna try these. Again, I could be shocked and like them, but never something I would have picked up for myself. Okay, similar color. These are Cosmic Blue Love May Linen Short in light purple. These are something that I don't even know if I would have tried them on in the store, but these are an option. These are a possibility. I have a better feeling about these than I do about the other two things. Okay. Oh, this is a dress. Okay. It's a pretty color. All right. So, this is a dress. I think you can see it. It's kind of like sort of an A-line shape and has all the straps in the back, which means it's gonna be difficult to wear a bra, I think. We'll see. But I'll give this a shot. And last but not least, oh, this is a black off-the-shoulder bodysuit, but it's like with a ruffle. So I will give this one a shot as well. Okay, so I will admit that with shorts, I feel like these look a little better. Sorry, I'm just trying to get used to them. I'm just really not sure. Like, it's probably something that I wouldn't wear, even though I have to say, this was a pretty good choice by my stylist. Consider if this is a style that I would wear. What's you guys'? That is so not proper English. What is your feedback on these shoes? These shoes on me. I typically wear wedges, or like I said, like a dressier pair of flip-flops maybe. I just don't love these type of sandals. So there you go. Okay, so here is the dress. Surprisingly, I like it. It's made out of a very comfortable like t-shirt type material. Again, feels like a t-shirt. It is an A-line style, so the waist is here, which works pretty well for me. I mean, this is about as small as it could get because I can already see a little pooch here, but this is the back of it. I really like the back and the straps. Obviously, the only issue is you do have to wear it with a strapless bra. So I have one on. The nice thing that I found is that these straps can be tightened, and I tightened them all the way, and now it feels very good. It feels like everything's gonna stay in place. It's super comfortable. It's not nearly as short as I thought it would be. So if you can kind of see the pattern and the style. Did I startle you? Sorry, Watson's right here. So yeah, it's, once again, okay. I see, you know, this is a good test because I feel like I'm trying things that I would not have. I'm not normally a dress girl. I do not wear a lot of dresses. But this one is very, like I said, it feels like a t-shirt. It's comfortable, and I think I like it. But let me know what you guys think, because these are kind of new things for me. Okay, here are the linen drawstring shorts. And once again, these aren't like my typical shorts. In fact, like I said, I don't wear much. I generally wear denim shorts, white or blue. And I'm not 100% certain if they're if these are the most flattering shorts on me, but I can say they are extremely comfortable, like very comfortable. And another thing I will say, just for the record, that this color, light purple, I can wear on the bottom half of my body, but it does not look good up here. It washes me out completely. Okay, so what do you guys think of these? Again, they're just a little different. I don't know. They're super comfortable. Again, I can see me keeping them just for that reason alone, but I'm just curious what other people think. So, Watson, oh, I know, I feel the same way. Here are the purple straight-legged pants. I'm going to reiterate, I do not like straight-legged pants on me at all. Also, these seem a little big, and I currently work from home in both of my positions, both of my jobs, and I do not have a need to have like a pair of dressy pants like this, because these are like dressy with like the dressier kind of, I don't know what I'm even saying here, but I hope you're getting the drift. These are not denim, and they're not like super dressy, and so they're not horrible. And I think some people that like straight leg pants might like these. I think they're super comfortable. I might, if I was going to keep them, I would probably size down. They're a little bit loose. They are Lila Ryan, I believe, so they're really good quality. They feel nice and soft, really, really soft. So if I was a person that would keep these pants. They're very nice, soft and comfortable pants. It's just not my style. Okay, last but not least, the bodysuit, which I do like. And I don't know that I would, again, actually wear it with these shorts, but I already had them out. So I put them on. Again, it's just literally a bodysuit, and it has the, gosh, Watson, you are in an awkward spot. It has the, off the shore, sorry, I just tried to tuck my bra in because I didn't want to put the strapless one on again. But it has this ruffle, which kind of lays nicely. And what I like about this is that because of this ruffle, you don't have to have as much problem with dealing with a strapless bra. I can use like a bandeau. So I think that will work. And it's really cute. There's the back of it. Very comfy. Yeah. So I wouldn't normally wear it with this, but I think I like it. Just a comfortable thing. I actually like it like tucked into probably those drawstring shorts, which I should have tried it on with. So this is the 5th item out of 5. I will be back shortly to wrap up. See you soon. Hello. Okay, so we're back for wrap up. Watson is tired, as always. He doesn't last very long in these things recently. I think he's getting bored. But I actually have 3 of the items on right now. So I have this black bodysuit and the shorts and these shoes, which I'm still thinking about. The straight leg pants, which are by Lila Ryan, are $88. These are a size 0, and so you cannot go any lower right now. And these are something that I'm not going to keep. I just have too deep-seated of a problem with straight legs. I think it goes back to my childhood. So, okay. Next is the linen shorts, which I have on, which surprisingly, I mean, I wasn't shocked that I would like them. I just didn't think I'd like the fit, but they're comfortable, and I think I will definitely use them kind of more as a casual thing. And then the suede sandals. These are violet and red Darlene suede sandal, $79, spendy. So, yeah, that one I'm not sure on. I would love you guys' feedback. Your feedback. And then this bodysuit is $28, so I mean, that's perfect. And then last but not least, this dress, which I also love, is only $48. So right now I am thinking of keeping the dress, the shorts, and I'm definitely not keeping these pants, even though I'm sure I'll have to look at all this money. I probably won't save much by not keeping them, much of anything. But, and then I gotta think about these shoes. So I would love your feedback on those items. And then once again, I want to thank everybody for watching, and please subscribe if you have not already done so. Watson usually participates a little bit more than this, but I think he's mad at me right now because we have not yet gone out for a walk today. So we will try to take care of that because, as we all know, it is most important to take care of his needs. Anyway, thanks you guys for subscribing. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Comment if you want me to change anything. I think I could probably spend less time trying on the clothes. Like, I'm doing a live try on here. I have not tried the things on before, so I'm sitting there analyzing it. So maybe that's kind of boring for you guys. I could do just a shot of me with the outfit on. So let me know what you prefer, if I should spend less time or if you like listening to my ramblings. And probably most people don't. So thanks you guys for listening. We'll see you next time.